lifestyle rich. All of me girl them dip. All of me friend them rich. My lifestyle rich. All of me girl them dip. Versace for me wrist. And the eyes for the chain them a drip. My lifestyle rich. Tell them a name.
Hi guys, morning. It's Monday morning. Everybody's gone back to school. Everybody's gone back to work. Daddy's in the workshop as normal. Yeah, and I'm here home so bored, not doing anything, just listening to him bang 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 all day and stuff. Say good morning.
It's not good.
Say bad morning.
Neither is it bad.
So annoying. KFC. I think this is my last time I'm gonna be eating KFC, you guys. Sure. Hot and spicy and barbecue. Last time my sister cooks for me the strip, guys. Curry chicken and white rice. Oh yeah. Finally got them. I finally got my donuts. You guys, from the first day I came, I never seen them again until today. I'm so excited. Wait. January 11th? Okay. I got less time, but I can do it. Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy.
What happened?
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Zoe.
How are you?
I'm good.
That's great. It's daddy-daughter time. No time for your phone. Tell them you're busy. Tell her you're busy. Answer the phone. Answer the phone. Jehovah is watching. Jehovah is watching. Answer the phone. Wicked man. Morning, everyone. We're gonna try and make today a vlog long because today is my last day in Jamaica for this trip. I'm not really too sad actually, but wait. Hi, good morning. Hold on one second, Daddy. Your phone. Come and answer the person's call. Come, run. Run. Life of a secretary, I tell you. So yeah, I have to go in town today, go buy out my last minute stuff. I have to buy out my stuff for my giveaways. What else? That's pretty much it. Just picking up all my last minute stuff, packing, all that stuff. My flight is at 2 something tomorrow. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm about to go for a walk because it's really cold. What else? Today is Tuesday, so yesterday was Monday. I think nobody did leave yesterday. Sunday, Sammy and Sandy and Asha left. I never got to do my initial reactions, but they had just posted their vlog last night, so you would have seen our initial reaction by now if you guys are subscribed to Sammy and Sandy's life, which you guys should be. But what I meant, Sammy and Sandy, as you guys would have seen in the vlog, I didn't want them to know that I was there or whatever the case may be. But yeah, I walked in and Sammy was charging her phone, so her head was down, so I got to surprise her. And it was better than what I was anticipating. I was nervous because like when you talk to people like over the phone and stuff like that, and like you meet them in person, I don't know if everybody's like that, but I'm weird like that. Like, believe it or not, as much as I'm out there and loud and vulgar and, you know, jokey and stuff like that, like, I'm only like that with people who, like, I mean, like, I could be that with anybody, but not to the extent that I am with people who I know or who I feel like I know and love. You know what I'm trying to say? So I was nervous because I'm like, okay, like, everybody's so cool and whatever, but you know, sometimes, especially with girls, when you meet them in person, it's like, it's different. But it was better. Like, it was like I'm telling you, it was like the group chat came to life. Like, be laughing and thing like what we would normally do in the chat. And it was so crazy because Tati was the only person that was missing. So it was like we kind of neglected the chat because we were chatting in real life, but like, you know, one of us was missing. But it was so cool. Like, I met Sammy ball out my name in at the airport. Everybody must know who Zoe is right now. And then Sandy came and surprised me because she was with Patel dealing with her ticket stuff. So yeah, but it was, honestly, it was amazing. Like, Patel, like, that's my brother. Like, that's my no, without a doubt, like, that's my brother. Like, brother, Jenna. Like, that's bro. Sammy and Sandy, like, those are my little sisters. Like, those are my little sisters, and they are so sweet. As I mentioned before, their mom, big up mom and Mags, they got me my my bomber jacket because when they were coming down, I had asked them, since they were the last people coming down, if they could get me a jacket, and I paid them back when they come back down here, because the only jacket that I brought was like a winterish kind of jacket, and I can't be walking around in Jamaica with that. So I asked them for a bomber jacket, and their mom ended up getting that for me for Christmas. Sandy had got me a brush set for Christmas as well. So, you know, it's just little things like that and stuff like that. And our car broke down together on the way to Portland and all this stuff. But they are just really, really cool. Like, I've gained a lot of friends on this trip. I know a lot of people like, oh, it's so early for you guys to be calling people your friends and stuff like that, but it's different when you meet people who have the same mindset as you and who are just really supportive of everything that you're trying to do and help you to become a better person at what it is that you're trying to do, or just in general. And I found that, like, I can go to them with any issues or anything like that. Not saying I didn't have friends before, which I did not have friends, plural, before. I had one friend, and her name was Tiffany Fuffy, last name insert here, and I literally went to her with everything. But now that I have like other people that I can speak with, I can get more opinions about certain things and different outlooks on different situations, and I really, really appreciate them and the fact that I have them there for support in anything that I want to do. And it's the same vice versa. They have a lot of very exciting things that are going to be coming up, and I'm really excited that I get to be a part of their planning process, as well as helping them out with like any questions or anything that they have for that, you know. And yeah, it was really better than what I expected. Like, I thought I was gonna be like, it was gonna be awkward, like, you know, because these were the first people that I was meeting from the group, period. So I just thought it was gonna be like really, really awkward, like, oh my god, I'm by myself, there's not gonna be anybody else here, because, you know, like, they're a pair and I'm singular, but they made me feel very welcome. Like, I feel like we were like the Three Stooges, like, you know. So yeah, that's just what I have to say. So I'm happy that they, you know, made it back safe and sound and everything, and they will be coming to me very soon, or I think I'm actually going to be seeing them before they come to Canada. And you guys will find out more information about this Canada trip like soon. You know, we're planning it. We've been planning it since last year, but we're just trying to get all these dates and everything together and all this type of stuff, and just figure everything out 100%. So everyone has their task. So when everyone's task is complete, then we will come and obviously announce it and let you guys know. So all of my Canadians, they are coming, okay? You guys will have the opportunity to chill with us in Canada. Just wallets, you understand? It's a come, okay? And then Asha also went up on Sunday. People, you see Asha is just Asha is like the definition of sexy. Like, Asha is just whoa. But you see Asha mounts don't have no filter. Not that that's a problem. A lot of people can't handle that, but because like I'm the same way, that's why I lose a lot of friends. But Asha mouth don't have no filter. No filter. Asha no alpha water down nothing. Asha just says it as it is, which a lot of people need in their life. But Asha is a mad cool. When Asha mad, Asha mad. When Asha happy. Like whatever she's in, like whatever mood she's in, like that's what she's in. But it's funny regardless. So yeah. Well, our initial like meetup, we didn't really get to like talk like how I got to talk with Sammy and Sandy during the journey to Portland, or like how I got to talk to Sade because we slept over. So like we got to like actually like talk. We met at a party, her party, so you know, like she was busy doing whatever it was that she was doing, or whatever the case may be, but at the same time like we partied together, you know. So when our boss gun song them did come on or whatever, like, you know, it was just really cool, like all of us actually being together and stuff like that. So on a big up on yourself, Sammy, Sandy, Asha. So yeah, I just wanted to say that. And Tati's leaving today, so I'll do hers a little bit later, maybe when I'm like ending off the vlog. And yeah, I'm just gonna go start my day. Like my breath stinks. I'm gonna brush my teeth for a morning. I'm gonna fry my dumpling and probably make some plantain, and then I'll probably take you guys with me in the kitchen or whatever. But I'm gonna go brush my teeth and go for like a little walk, a little jog or something, get my blood boiling and stuff like that. I feel like I've been talking too long, so I will see you guys when I get back. Okay, bye. I'll put on my big old water boot. up, yep. Now go walk. So Patrick just drive out the saw. Up. And sing. Let me take off this flash. Hold on. Yeah. So you see, this is why I needed the water boots, because I don't know if everywhere still some. I know some parts, but you see here in Anchovy, when it rains, everywhere flood out. Wanna see it? So yeah, I'm gonna have to put them on. My slippers could not cross it over here, because the last time I wear my slippers, I nearly drop and bust up my head, and that can't go on today. I think that's brother Cameron coming, and it's chilly. Like I have on a jacket and a long sleeve. Like it's chilly. It's very chilly out here. But grass, look on this. Like how would I have worn my slippers? How would I have worn my slippers? And it's everywhere. Like everywhere. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna go to the pond while I'm meds and think Daddy Stretch Brothers and stuff, or some of them live around there, but just don't watch me. You know. Oh my god, you guys, I'm kind of depressed now that I'm thinking about I'm leaving this beautiful country. I can't wait till the day when I can say I'm coming here permanently. Like I told some people, I'm like, I'm not going back, and they're like, it's about time. Every time y'all come and y'all go away. Like, why you not just stay? I think I missed my turn, you know. Come here, chat and thing. Wait. I'm not here, so around here, so.
My first lady, my only lady. Never will I leave your side. Never will I turn my back on you or stand and watch you fight. I'll never will ignore your cry. No girlfriend can take your stride. For when you're used, that's not your sign. Mommy, you know, see, say your boy come far. Your friend, them must say your boy can start. Mommy, you're general, you can't punk her. Love me, mother, watch on your talk about her. Cheat, no, you get your house and you can't, when you're not, you worry about no more than that. You know, you're long fool, go out and par, but you feel like you know me, I forgot and war. Mommy, I have to steal from my toes, scandal. Mommy, get the money, find the melody, them and the harmony. Still I wonder how your money done. We everybody good, them something, they know what normally. You a legend, I'm in love, get to me hard. Goosebumps full of my body, know what.
The water literally looks like the color that it's showing you guys on the screen. It's very brown and musty and musky and them something there. Anyways, I know that one come here for. All the little seat them gone, cover up. And what this man? Me tell them to me I go vlog, so me I go vlog, me I go make my fried dumpling, a boiled fried dumpling. I have boiled dumpling. I'll go fry it, and I have some plantain. I'm gonna fry it. And that's gonna be my breakfast for today.
Guys, somebody stole my tripod. My mini tripod, so I gotta find places to prop you guys up all over again. I hope I can find it again when I go back. Until I invest in a legitimate one. You know. So, to make boiled fried dumpling, all you need is some leftover boiled dumpling. You know, I always make extras so that I have, right? And because it's gonna be really like icky, I always use a paper towel just to hold it. Leave that there. Now you just slice it in half. Now if you want to be fancy, you could do it in fours if you want to be fancy. I'm not fancy. I like them in circles, not halves. And then you just take your halves and you put it in your frying pan with oil. You can add a little. Hey! Don't splash at me. And my hands are wet too.
So while your dumpling is frying, this is what it's going to look like. Okay. Yeah, starting to get a little brownish around the perimeter. You see it there, the circumference. Wait, no, that's not the circumference. Is that the circumference? I don't remember. I left school a long time ago. Okay. Oh my god, you guys, today's Tuesday, January the 9th, which means my birthday. Which is my birthday isn't exactly 3 weeks from today. My birthday is January 31st and it's on a Tuesday. I'm so excited. No, I'm not. I'm actually kind of depressed because I'm getting older. And I'm not where I really thought I was going to be in life. But I'm happy where I am. I'm just not where exactly where I thought I was going to be. You know? Definitely deserve. So, yeah. So yeah, that's what I'm doing for now. I guess I should just come back to you guys when I'm done. But I just wanted to, you know, make sure that this vlog is going to be long because I'm going to vlog everything. So whether this vlog is boring or not, I am vlogging everything. And I got a lot of videos to record today too. Hopefully I get to run through them with Kiana and Jill and Danny. I'm going to do my makeup in one. I don't really know how to do makeup, so I guess this will be good for beginners because, like, I don't know what the hell I'm doing, but I still look cute, I guess. Because some of you guys comment on my makeup sometimes, and I'm just like, I just do things what I think is right, and I don't even have all the products that are necessary to do your face, but I'm just going to use what I have to just show what I do. What's my little simple. I don't think it would have been up by now. But I'll let you guys know when it is. Notification gang. Ooh, ooh, my Snapchat fam. Ooh, ooh. My Snapchat fam is lit. Lit. I'm Orlando Brown on that shit. Like, what? People later. My heart is crying right now. You know when you smell your home? It's bittersweet because I'm broke. I need to go back to work, do the people that will work, make my money, see my mother, my sister, my niece, them. My house, you know, my bed, the people that man. But then it's like, one of them is my dad and my siblings and my life here. Bag juice. Good up KFC, Burger King, Island Grill, Sakura, Tutti Frutti, jerkies, jerk pork, jerk pan. You know, it's just really sad. It's like I'm so torn. Like, bright idea. I'm gonna build a new country, and I'm gonna call it either JAMAICA or JAMAICA or Jamnada. And everyone and everything that I like can be in that country. So I'll never be sad.
Hi guys, I'm so tired. Like, I swear you, I slept on my whole entire day.
Hi, una have siblings, younger siblings, say them at 9, you're frig. Sleep, you guys, because it's extremely cold in Jamaica. Like, it's extremely cold. Up, me reaching all the people them like, me reaching all the people them like, I don't know, have sister named Sammy and Sandy are bad. 21 days exactly. My birthday is in exactly 3 weeks. Where are all my January babies at? Let me know. I can't just go outside in Canada and sit down and listen. Like, one, I live in the city. There's not that much green around me. Two, the feeling is just not there. So when I come here, like, just being outside and like sitting down, looking at the stars, I can't do that in foreign. They're always like, why you want to go a bush? Why you want to go in them someday? Why you want to look at the sky? Why you want to look at the stars? All these things. I can't do it. So Jamaica makes me appreciate these little things. People are always like, you don't go to a lot of parties and all this type of stuff. That's not what Jamaica is to me. I'm one with myself when I come here. Like, you know, it's about family, making memories. Like, I'll hit up a 1-2 party, you know what I mean? But that's not necessarily my scene. I've had my partying days. Like, there's more to life to me than just that. Shoot, have you guys seen my vlogs? Like, do y'all know me? Like, I'm my own motherfucking party. I could be at church and make a hell of a good time out of it. I could be at a funeral and I'll turn up the steam. Like, what? But yeah, this place is just, this is where I plan to die. This is just where I see my life, you know? So, as much as I hate leaving, I know why I gotta go back up to continue to do what I need to do so that I can come out here and do what I gotta do. Oh, and back to what I was just originally saying. I don't want y'all to think I'm just rapping, but like, going to other places and seeing things makes you appreciate the things that you either don't have or don't appreciate regularly. You know, either because they're not around you or you just don't care to pay attention to them. It's like when I come to Jamaica, I'll be like, oh my gosh, I have to go to the beach. They'll be like, the beach? You know, they do it so much, they don't really care. And then it's like when they come up to foreign and they want to go to the mall. It's like, you want to go to the mall? It's because they don't really get to. So yeah, I hope I make sense. Because I know I'm making sense. I just hope you guys get it. But yeah. Appreciate what you have. Be thankful for what you have and what's around you. And take advantage of it. Not people. You know?
I'm using a high definition concealer, the color